Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I'm your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today, we'll be reading from Bert and Ernie's Day at the Beach by Sesame Street Workshop. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. Bert and Ernie are spending the day at the beach. Ernie can't wait to explore. Bert can't wait to relax. Ernie is building a sandcastle. He decorates it using seashells. Come on, Bert, let's go swimming,
Come on.
Ernie says when he's done. Bert and Ernie and Rubber Ducky swim with the dolphins in the ocean. There are a lot of things to find under the water. What do you see? There are shells of all shapes and sizes. How many do you see? Which one is your favorite color? Bert and Ernie end their day by surfing the waves. They had a lot of fun at the beach. Even Bert. The end. And that was Bert and Ernie's Day at the Beach by Sesame Street Workshop. Thank you all for tuning in. And until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you.